Alright, today we're going to show how to refill sealant in your road tubeless tires. So this is assuming you've already done the whole hassle of setting up your tires tubeless initially. You don't want to take everything apart and reseat everything because it's a big pain in the butt. So you just want to refill sealant. So the good news is, since your bead is already set, you don't have to take everything apart. You can just inject sealant through the valve. So first thing you do is deflate your tire. So this, you can actually hear this is kind of clogged, so we're going to unclog that later. So it might be easier, since it's taking a while to do that, I'm just going to remove the valve core with this valve core tool. If you don't have this, you can use pliers, but it's better to have a tool. So I'll go ahead and unscrew this valve core, and I should hear the air just come out like that. So make sure it's totally deflated. Now, your tire should actually still be seated on the rim, so you won't have to redo everything. Next, I'm going to use this dipstick to just clear that valve to make sure there's no clogs. Okay, and I'll also make sure that the valve core itself is not clogged. So you can see there's some gunk on there, so we'll just take some of that stuff off. Next, I'm going to use my sealant with the little injection tube and put it over the valve, and then just pump it directly in. Make sure that it's actually going in as you do it. Okay, I feel like that's probably good enough. I'll check the level on the bottle. I think that was about right. Do a little bit more. One more pump. Okay, that should be good. Take the thing off. Might help to move this to the top now, so you won't have a ton of sealant like popping out. Next, we'll replace the valve core. Just screw that in. Use the tool to put it in all the way. And then we'll pump it up. So I have a tubeless pump here, but we probably don't need it because the tire is still seated. So we'll just connect it like we normally do. And sounds like it's pumping up. Yep, it's holding air. So pump it close to max capacity. This one I'll do about 85 psi. Close it. Make sure everything's tight, and then I'll just spin the wheel to get the sealant all around the rim. And that's it. That's how you refill your tubeless sealant.